Monroe County will be offering the new COVID booster shot in a handful of upcoming clinics that begin tomorrow. This comes as the COVID-19 state disaster emergency expired at midnight, with Governor Hochul saying she would not be renewing the order. Isabel Garcia joins us live in Rochester with more details on this. Isabel.
Yes, good evening to you, Teresa. I had the chance today to speak with the Monroe County Public Health Commissioner, Dr. Mendoza, who tells me with that expiration of the state disaster emergency, it won't really affect anything here locally. The virus is still out there, however, he says. And as we look ahead to the winter months, these new boosters will help give that added protection to those subvariants.
We've had ample resources. We've had ample testing and vaccine and supply and all of that now for many months. So the discontinuation of the state of emergency really doesn't have much of an impact on us locally.
While the state disaster emergency is no longer in effect, COVID-19 is still prevalent. The newly approved booster is designed to target the highly contagious Omicron subvariants BA4 and BA5.
We also know that the most recent strains of COVID have not been prevented entirely from the original series of vaccines, which is why the new bivalent booster was developed to help to counteract the current strains of COVID-19 that we have here in our community.
Starting September 19th, Monroe County will offer booster clinics on Mondays and Wednesdays at the County Fleet Center on Paul Road. Public Health Commissioner Dr. Mendoza explains you will need to have your first vaccine series completed to get the booster.
Well, I think the first most important concern is to think about what your own individual risk is. You know, if you are somebody who is older, particularly 65 and older, or if you have chronic medical concerns, we really want to encourage you to get that new booster.
Dr. Mendoza tells me we're in more of a shifting period right now, not only with the seasons changing, but also the pandemic overall.
Trying to figure out how do we stay in this without talking down about people who are wearing their masks or minimizing, individuals' desire to get their vaccine. That's a personal choice. Let's respect that. Let's be kind and civil people to one another.
Love that message there. And there will be two clinics this week. The first one will take place tomorrow at the Edgerton Rec Center, and that's happening on Bacchus Street. And the next one will be on Friday, and that is taking place at Cameron Community Ministries. And we have all this information over at RochesterFirst.com as well. For now, we'll send it over back to you at the desk. For now, reporting live in Rochester, Isabel Garcia, News 8.
Isabel, thank you. We want to make sure that you know you need an appointment for these clinics, and we have the links for you over at RochesterFirst.com.